What's up, everybody? Down south done. So back at you with another video, and finally finished eating. Yeah, we stuffed. So Miller's, I guess it's Miller's restaurant over on the seawall. I think it's between 17th Street and 19th Street. So check it out and make sure you get the crab dip. I did get the waffles, and chicken and waffles, so it was great. Make sure you guys check it out. So I did want to show you guys the quick update on the motorcycles for what I did to my bike. And let me check this out. Notice anything different? Yeah, she's got legs. Pretty glossy black legs. And so everything complements itself with the factory 47 handlebars and the black fork legs. So even though this is a special, this special did not come with the blacked out package. This is a 17 for those that don't know. And during that time, they were not doing an all blacked out thing. And it's funny, here it is 2021, and they actually came back to do the chrome and black again instead of just all blacked out specials. But anyway, that's the only addition I made to my bike. You know, still working at it, having a few little electrical gremlins going on, but other than that, she still works. And of course, this is Will's bike. Now, Will did make a few upgrades, and Will did a windshield. You met him at one point, and he got the Lapera seat. This is what the kick flip. What is this? Kick flip? Yeah.
Daddy long leg.
Daddy long leg kick flip Lapera. Let me take these gloves off so you can see it. And yeah, for those guys that's usually like 6'2" or taller, this is a pretty good seat. He's still breaking it in, so we're gonna get an update when he gets that taken care of.
Tuesday.
And he has his bars coming in on Tuesday. Chrome Factory 47s, 14-inch. So we'll check with him next week. But today, I do have Ryan. I don't know if y'all met Ryan before.
What's up?
Let me make sure he's got his mic on. Pin that to your jacket. There you go. And it just picks your voice up. So,
got it.
All right, so introduce you guys to Ryan.
What's up, everybody?
So this is one of my buddies that I ride with, and we're gonna talk about his bike. So let's walk over to your bike, and let's see. Now he has the 2020 Road Glide, and he's made some additions. So let's start from front to rear.
All right.
And let us know what you got going on.
Okay, so on the front I got the Clockworks windshield, and got that put on. That was one of the first things I had put on.
All right.
And then I got the I got some pegs here. I'm gonna change them out and get chrome. I got no rush and got those, but
Okay.
I wanted that for comfort. I got the factory 47. That's the 12-inch. Just got
No. Those are 14s.
Those are 14s.
Yeah. Aren't they? 12s?
Yeah, I think these are 12s.
Oh, they are 12s. Ah, you're right.
Yeah, I'm not a tall guy.
All right.
It fits me pretty well.
And you got them tilted back a little bit, so for comfort.
Yeah, so for comfort.
Okay.
I do have the deflectors on here for rocks and things of that nature. Protect your hands, keep some of the wind off.
All right.
So that's cool. I did get some upgrades to my sound. Nothing too heavy, just an amplifier and some upgraded speakers. So I can hear my music when I'm riding at highway speeds, and so that's been a big upgrade that I'm enjoying a lot.
Nice.
What else I got here? Not too much. And then I got the CVO seat, of course. Got
Okay.
that yours truly.
All right.
CVO seat. And I got the backrest recently. That
CVO style backrest.
matches that.
Right.
The guy did a great job of looking at my seat and getting me exactly the stitching that I wanted, so I'm real happy with that.
Nice.
Real comfortable. I got a phone
Ram mount.
a round mount on there
Okay.
that helps me with my phone.
All right.
The phone feels secure. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I put a luggage rack on there for when I'm storing stuff or whatever. That's just my style. Some people don't go with that, but that's me.
Okay.
I do me. And then I got me some intermediate exhaust on there just to really give me a little sound. I'm probably going to upgrade that later. I think that's some Sharks or whatever. They're chrome. I'm happy with them, but give me a little sound.
Okay.
Well, I'll probably upgrade that later as well.
All right, bet.
Man, I've been enjoying it.
So how much of a difference is this versus your Sportster that you were riding?
God. Night and day, night and day. So I got the Sportster when I first started getting back into riding, thinking that it was had an 1800 cc engine, and I'm thinking that's back in the day that was a lot of motorcycle.
Yeah.
But I'm not even a big guy, and on that it just wasn't enough bike for me, especially when I got on the highway and the freeway and things of that nature.
Oh, you mean the 1200?
Yeah, I got the.
That was a Sportster's 1200.
You're right. It was a 1200.
Yeah.
1200, but even back in the day, 1200 was a lot of cc.
Yeah, it was.
But it's a smaller bike, and you're right, it was a 1200. Thank you. And it blew me around quite a bit.
All right.
Did not feel secure on that bike at all. Kept it probably a month and a half, maybe 2 months.
So why didn't you choose a road glide over a street glide?
Just because if I was going to do it, I just decided to go all the way with the road glide. I was going between the street and the road, but the question was asked to me, what would I really want?
Right.
If it was if I just wanted to get what I wanted, and I just answered with a road glide, and that's what I got.
Gotcha.
Feel like if you're gonna do it,
might as well go with the best.
might as well go with the best.
So what other future upgrades might you be looking at?
It's always something, right? So I definitely, I'm going to change out my fairing. I don't know if you noticed that I had a little. With the
They
ice
didn't
storm.
notice.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna change out my fairing. I'm actually gonna do the inner fairing as well and get that upgraded.
All right.
Probably eventually. I had something in my mind. What was I gonna do? I probably will keep the chrome look.
Okay.
For now, I might change out the floorboards and the pegs and get upgraded on that.
Oh yeah.
Because that's factory right there.
Right.
And so I don't know for that. Other than that, I might be done for a little while. But what I'm noticing is that you always seeing stuff you want.
Yeah, definitely.
I might get a little bit more sound too. We'll see. But
there's always something.
Yeah, it's always something. But the major stuff, I think I'm pretty much done.
And first thing first, we want to put some miles on these things.
Yep.
So we have a trip coming up to Miami in June.
Yeah.
And we're gonna definitely bring you guys along. Hopefully we can go down to the 1 mile marker. You familiar with that?
No, I'm not.
That's the end of US 1.
Oh, is that right?
The end of that continent.
Okay.
So we're gonna definitely try and that's one of my goals for sure.
Video about that, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So
it's gonna be guys from all over the country coming down for that. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Okay, cool.
So yeah.
So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at his bike, and Will got a few upgrades, but he wanted to wait until he finished getting his upgrades. So we're just gonna enjoy the rest of this time at Crystal Beach. If you guys are not familiar with Crystal Beach, it's actually on the end of Galveston Island, cross the ferry, and go from there. But anyway, so just wanted to give you guys a quick take. We're riding this food off. We're gonna go ahead and make our way back around and head back to the house. It's gonna be a short Sunday, so catch up with you guys later. Excuse me. One thing Ryan did forget to show you guys.
What's that?
The seat lock.
Oh yeah, I sure did. I sure did.
He got the blacked out seat lock, so
I sure did.
And that, for that custom CVO seat, got to keep it safe.
You get some LED lights too.
Oh yeah, LED lights. Yeah, I'm getting some LEDs too.
Yeah.
So just want to make touch up with you guys. Haven't put out a video in a while, and keep you guys abreast of what's going on. And also make sure you get your locks. I do have the Diamond audio on deck, so make sure you get that if you want the best of audio. That's the way to go. If you like me and you like it in your helmet, just go get you a center. I like it both, but I don't listen to my radio enough in order to do that. So like I said, you want quality audio, Diamond audio hurts. That's the way to go. If you don't really want to spend that much money, then I get it. Hey, just upgrade your stock system. Maybe Rockford Fosgate, Polk Audio, something like that. Head units, I got them. The Sony 7000, AX 7000. Make sure you check that out as well on www.downsouthdone.com. We out.
Peace.